we had a discussion that leverages is very important, and leverage basically pertaining to the fixed cost. There are two places where in industry we incur the fixed cost. One is at the time of operation, another it is at the time of finance. So there are two leverages which we compute: degree of operating leverage and degree of financial leverage. Now let us proceed further. This is what is leverage, what I was talking about, and it is basically for fixed cost. I told you operating leverage is basically contribution upon EBIT. Okay, I know how to get the computation, you know better than me. We have learned these things in cost accounting when we were there in semester 1. Financial leverage is earning before interest and tax divided by earning before tax. That will give you the leverages. Most of the time they may ask combined leverage because they are nothing but operating multiply by financial. If you both multiply, you will get both the leverages, combined leverages. This formula is very, very important to get any kind of leverages. So if we will take up the questions which we did. So we did average cost of capital we did. Today we will be taking care of leverages. So you have seen that in degree of operating leverage, contribution upon profit before interest and tax. Degree of financial leverage is profit before interest and tax divided by profit before tax. So this format is very important. Sales minus variable cost, contribution minus fixed cost, PBIT minus interest, PBT, tax, PAT. So let us do question number 2 and page number 240. This is the question. Ambika Limited sells 200 units per annum. The selling price per unit is 300 and the variable cost is 70. The fixed operating cost is 60,000. Calculate the operating leverage. How will get the operating leverage? I told you the reference. First you do this part. Put that things in formula. You'll get the answer. Very simple. So what all is given? 2000 unit, 300 rate, I think 60,000. No, 6 lakhs.
6 lakhs, sir.
Right? Variable cost 70.
1,40,000.
Okay.
1,40,000, sir.
1,40,000. So contribution is
4,60,000.
Yes or no? I'll put
Yes,
all this
sir.
in my calculation. 6 lakhs, 1,40,000, 4,60,000. Fixed cost is 60,000. PBIT is 40,000. Only this entire thing you have to keep in mind. Any kind of questions related to leverage you can easily solve.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you put the values. Contribution की जगह पे 460, PBIT की जगह पे 4 lakhs. Your degree of operating leverage is 1.15. Clear है?
हाँ, sir. Clear है.
Any doubt? No. Similarly, question number 3. You do it with your own quickly. You can easily do it. 20 per unit. Variable cost 15 per unit. degree of operating leverage for 3,000 unit and 3,500 unit. Fixed cost is 10,000. So 3,000 into 20 कितना आएगा? 60,000.
60,000, sir.
3,000 into 15, 45,000.
Yes, sir.
Simple एकदम.
Contribution 15,000.
Yes, contribution is 15,000. In another case,
Then PB.
17,500. 10,000
Yes, sir.
is fixed. If we will get, then we will get profit before
5,000.
आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, you can solve any question. Okay, now next question is on financial leverage. Again, financial leverage ka formula is what? PBIT upon PBT. PBIT upon PBT. So we will extend sales minus variable cost, contribution minus fixed cost, PBIT minus interest, PBT. We get this value. Question number 4. Compute the financial leverage. Interest is given. Sales is given, variable cost is given, fixed cost is given. We'll deduct sales minus variable cost, contribution, minus fixed cost,
Yes, sir.
profit before interest and tax, minus interest, profit before tax. Profit before interest and tax divided by profit before tax will be my degree of financial leverage. Max to max, what they can ask? What is combined leverage? Okay. So what you will do for
DOL
combined leverage? Operating leverage multiply by financial leverage.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I hope these small question you can do it. And then we will try to meet tomorrow evening.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt in this topic?
No,
One
sir.
more thing, there were few students who have not appeared for Viva. Ask them tomorrow and day after, there is a last chance, because we don't want any student should fail in internal. If they will appear Viva, it will be better for them. And I think those absent roll numbers are there with you all. You can communicate to them. Yes. Now you solve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
The
sir.
reminder.
इसी में थोड़ा इधर उधर टाइप के क्वेश्चन है which we will deal with. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow it will be just revision lecture. If you have any doubt, okay, you can ask. If there is Viva pending, you can give a kind of.
Sir,
सर बोलो
पूछ ले,
सर
नहीं पूछ
At a
ले तू।
time.
सर इंडेक्स में लेवरेज के बाद और एक चैप्टर था कॉस्ट ऑफ कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर, तो कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर डिसीजंस हम लोग को वो भी है कि ओमिटेड है?
Better, there is no much difference when we'll go to cost of capital structure. That is mixture of leverage and cost of capital. Okay. Will ask me because these are the theoretical topic. You are going to appear objective exam. That is why I have not discussed. I think prior to this, we have capital structure.
सर मुझे पूछना है कि कौन से चैप्टर के सम्स आने वाले हैं, लाइक शॉर्ट नोट्स में कौन से सम्स आने के, और ब्रीफ में तो एक पता चला कि रिवर्स रेशियो आने वाला है।
मैं उसको पहले कैपिटल स्ट्रक्चर तो समझा दूं।
ठीक है सर।
Okay, I told you very clearly, this is the combined chapter of, cost of capital and leverages. Okay, so you have seen in cost of capital when we got the weighted average cost of capital, like equity, preference, everything. Based on that, what is the leverage part of it? Okay, and which is the best structure which give the, maximum cushion to the company, is nothing but the concept of capital structure decision. It is purely theoretical topic, and the concept is the same what we have discussed in cost of capital as well as leverages. Mix both. There is nothing new in this particular topic. Okay, even the question is
Okay,
based
sir.
on that. EBIT, EBT, okay, EPS, and then you have to select which is the best option for the company. Okay, whether we should go only 50 crores ka equity share capital, or we should go for 20 crores ka equity, 20 crores ka debenture, or 18 crores ka term loan. So that is purely depends what is their cost and how levered that particular expenditure for the company. This is what the concept is. Any doubt?
No, so we'll solve and ask you.
और किसको क्या डाउट है? Once again,
So,
this entire
um,
syllabus of corporate finance has lot many formula, and if there is a formula, it is very, very good for the faculty to set objective question. You start your journey from time value of money based on formula. Okay, ratios purely based on formula. Your cost of capital, again formula. Your leverages, again formula. So entire syllabus, like cost accounting, here also we found it is formula based syllabus. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
सर ये चैप्टर 7 भी है इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, तो वो भी है क्या?
वो थियरी है
Theory
जलपा।
आप बट वो थियरी पूछेंगे क्या उसकी
One
भी?
second,